In this video, we will learn how to activate Malwarebytes. To begin, open Malwarebytes.com and click on the Sign In button located at the top right. If you already have an account, you can sign in directly. Otherwise, you will need to create a new account. Once you are logged in, click on Add a Subscription, then select Register License. Enter your license key and click Register. After the license has been registered, open the Malwarebytes app on your computer. To verify that your subscription is showing the correct date, click on the human icon or profile icon located at the bottom left. If you see the wrong expiration date, as shown on the screen, you will need to deactivate your old subscription first. Then, go back to your Malwarebytes account in your browser and click on Activate Subscription. When the pop-up appears, click Open. The system will then automatically update the correct expiration date on your Malwarebytes app.